friends, welcome to Dokidza. This is Ganesh. Today we are going to play and learn 5-digit number using the spinning wheel. Let's begin. The first spin. So it is number 6. We'll write here 6. Now let's spin the second spin. So it is number 0. Now let's spin the third spin. So it is number 3. Now let's spin the fourth spin. So it is number 6. We'll write in 1006. Spin the last spin. So it is number 4. We'll write here 4. Now we'll write the second 5-digit number. Let's spin the wheel again. So it is number 6. We'll write here 6. Second spin. It is number 5. We'll write number 5 in tens. Now let's spin the third spin. So it is number 6. Now let's spin the fourth spin. So it is number 0. We'll write here 0. Let's spin the last spin. So it is number 1. We write here number 1. Likewise, we are going to write 4 5-digit numbers. Let's spin the wheel. I wrote other numbers using the spinning wheel. Now let's write the number names. 46,306. 10,656. 77,250. Now we are going to do addition for these 3 numbers. Now let's do comparison of these 2 numbers. Now let's do ascending order. We have written the ascending and descending order also. We can write number names, addition, comparison and ascending and descending order. We can play any digit numbers using the spinning wheel. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.